How to lock your Facebook profile. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile to protect your privacy. It's perfect if you don't want strangers checking out your posts, photos, or personal info. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Here, tap on menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look for the 3 dots next to the Edit Profile button and tap on them. In the menu that appears, find the Lock Profile option and tap on it. After tapping Lock Profile, you'll see a screen explaining what happens when you lock your profile. Read the details carefully so you know what's changing. At the bottom of the screen, tap Lock Your Profile. Facebook will now confirm that your profile is locked. To check if it worked, go back to your profile page. You should see a small lock icon next to your name, confirming that your profile is now locked. And that's it. Now you know how to lock your Facebook profile to keep your personal info safe. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more Facebook privacy tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.